weird, but I have 60 frames per second. No, I have more. I have that. Put it on. I don't know how. I'll say that. That thing's so fucking sick, dude. Look at the cowl. It's like that thing's ridiculous. Oh fucking wait. Oh god. Oh my god, yo.
Holy shit.